Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to Mr. Heins Explains. Today we're going to be talking about indirect objects. Notability is working for me. Hopefully it works for you as well. If it does not work, as always, just take a screenshot of the skeleton notes and then import them into Notability. Okay, so here we go. We have one slide to talk about today. We talked about direct objects earlier this week, and now we're going to talk about their partner, what we call indirect objects. And they're very, very similar to direct objects. So they are words or phrases. Remember that phrases are groups of words. If you don't remember that, give yourself a little bit of note there. And they are affected by the action of the sentence, just like direct objects, but as the name implies, they're affected indirectly. And what we mean by that is relatively straightforward. We're very simple, or it's just one extra step from direct objects to find the indirect object. So our first step, just like direct objects when we are looking for indirect objects, is to find the action. And again, I'll show you an example in a little bit. So once we find the action, you're going to find the direct object. Just like with direct objects, you are going to find the direct objects by asking who or what gets the action, right? Okay. Now, the third step that we're going to do is we're going to ask one more set of questions. We're going to say to whom, for whom. We'll put the whoms together, and then to what or for what. Okay, and I'll show you what that means in just a second. But that's how you find the indirect object, is you take the action, you find the action, you switch then to the direct object, then you ask a couple more questions to find the indirect object. For our example, the whole team gave a gift to Kevin. So what's the action? They gave something, right? And now, with that being said, what did they give? They gave what? They gave a gift. They gave a gift. So we ask that who or what. They got the action. We are literally giving a gift. And then to whom? To Kevin. So a bunch of different little arrows there. Now it's key to remember here, we're not literally giving Kevin to somebody. So you can't say gave what or gave who. You can't say we gave Kevin. That's not how that works. So instead, we are giving a gift to Kevin. Do you see the difference there? All right, and that is literally that's as easy as it gets to find indirect objects and direct objects. Go ahead and submit those to Schoology for a check.